Cagliari bobo konomo etena fie ama team and Dinedi Napoli ekwachomo ebo matraba comment man to Dinichi Cacho and so kwati Genoa ebo montinam you know woman sentiment in no ne matu matesa etoja another etera Serie A na pay ye ketere ediama ene aromatisa kari nyina etwene yebenya parama Cacho mo trafie woman criminals na ebo na fe yenye team and Dinedi AC Milan woman Torino so ebo na yenye Juve wabro mo Sassuolo game no so etoja ewo Torino no matesa etoja na etena aromatisa kari nyina etwene yebenya Como womu bo Pisa na yenya Atalanta womu enso etena Bergamo womu na Rasvoro nya na edisi na fe yenye team and Dinedi Bologna womu ebo Sassi Lazio na yenya Roma bobo kono womu bon Lecce afi yebenya Fiorentina womu enso eni Inter Milan bobo kono disi nti eri matesa eto eja ewo dwumadi so ene yekeche kakra edi amao ewo yenticha wodo so mepato eba no de league log no dia say na esitie Inter bobo kono ewo 68 points womu na LED yenya Napoli womu tosumi no womu 62 points 60 points ekra esimi na womu tosumi ensa ena ne Yakobo womu ewo 54 points and yenya Juve womu tosunum womu 53 na afa AS Roma atosu sia omu 51 points nti eno aye the table ata say Terence Serie A no wokwa sania etena anopay mebo etire kakra de ma eba ntina to de Lautaro Martinez enso ekra 14 goals afa Blanchard de enso adi Duvicas wono ne 10 goals no eno no krokramo Rasmus Holland ekra 10 goals afa Kenan Davis enso ekra 10 goals yenya Nico Pass wokwa 9 goals Kenan Yadels enso ekra 9 goals ana Rafael Leao ekra 9 goals beba to benya Blanchard de Christian Pulisic wono so ekra 8 goals Nikola Kristovic wono ekra 8 goals afa Matteo Pellegrino wono enso ekra 8 goals ansa na wanya Jelukas Kamaika my skin ani akanta no glo womo nyina ekra 8 goals eno ya dia etoja ewo itire na no pay mebu etire dia mama menko friendly gun na mini nkoba kakra no da uko friendly gun game back etoja ene ye team ani dia di RCD loans bobo kono womo te Angus ebo mentira polypolinum ama nkrofori tibu bako ene adamatisa akari nyina atwane tunu bobo kono betena fie womo ne Laurent na ebo AJ Ogiel womo start Brassois edi seri na fie nya OG Sinisa womo bo Paris Saint-Germain etena da Lyon womo ene Monaco ana ebo afi benya team ani dino Olympique du Marseille womo enso ni Metropole di Seine afi Paris FC womo ni Le Havre na ebo ni anya Stade Rennais womo ni Met ebo afi Nantes bobo kono ani Strasbourg ani di Seine afi uko League table no so RCD long bobo kono womo samba be for League table no asa LDBM adia say 59 points and the club PSG atosumi no womo 57 points better PSG bobo kono ewo 2 matches bo and womo bo sa one game na ka another game on Besabo esa sa time womo bo Chelsea no womo matches na nke so bobo nyina no enya de so bobo ye ansa no bobo UEFA Champions League no but the league log no jotoso bi ansa ay Olympique du Marseille womo 49 points and na ye Lyon bobo kono womo 47 and for Ligue Metropole so enum womo 44 points ansia ay AS Monaco bobo kono me pato ba ne ntrato dia Mason Greenwood ekwa 15 goals eniama ekwa Diamant Esteban Lepo enso ekwa 14 Joaquim Pinatelli enso ekwa 14 Odsoni Edward enso ekwa 12 goals Badi Bakola Abranterum ekwa 10 goals Pavel Ayasot enso ekwa 10 goals Wesley Said ekwa 10 goals Florent Taven enso ekwa 9 Bato Aubameyang ekwa 8 goals Jean Elboho enso ekwa 8 Florent Balangu enso ekwa 8 Ubenya Pablo Pagis wonum ekwa 8 afo Osmani Dembele ekwa 8 goals for Ansu Fati ekwa 8 goals Ilan Kaba ekwa 8 goals for Raman de Castelo enso ekwa 8 goals ani enkoba kakwa so aja etojo Franlik Anna anopay mebo etire diama another team and the RB Leipzig ukwa German Bundesliga entina polypolinum anomede ba tie di Hofian womum antibante another Manchester akane trende ukwa bas adesa Bayern bobo kona wombetre fiomni Union Berlin and edisiane yebena FC Cologne womu bo Borussia Mönchengladbach yebena Hedenium womu ebo Bayern of Leverkusen afa nya Wolfsburg bobo kono Wamo enso above Werder Bremen na fe Borussia Dortmund ene Hamburger as we game no so etma twene Sunday Matesa eba so tina no say na city menso 5 wamo ne Eintracht Frankfurt na ebo jemenya team and team adi St. Pauli wamo bo Freiburg na fe yenya Augsburg boko no wamo so ebo Stuttgart enti komani ne eba no aya wamo table no so dia Bayern ana LED 67 points ana kramo afe Dortmund atosumi no 58 points ana 50 points no ekwa RB Leipzig boboko no wabuto so ayamiensa and now yes Stuttgart one more 50 points the same points ekwa Tiedi Hoffenheim one so atosu enum anensia aya Bayern fall over Kusen one more 45 points afe Hurricane abante na tona 30 goals and ekwa no Dennis Windorf ekwa 16 elho Luis Diaz ekwa 15 afe ubenya Christopher Bungatna one so anasa Christoph one ekwa aya 12 goals now anya Saul Gurase one 12 goals and Haris Tabakovic akwawe Janet na ayase hoye dum kakra 11 goals and ekrano ayadase Michael Olise ekwa 10 goals Jean Diamande ekwa 10 goals for Andrat Kamarat and some ekwa 10 goals ubenya Benton de Nante Amari wanunsu ekwa 10 goals for Mala and so ekwa 9 goals when Jonathan Baggett wanunsu ekwa 9 goals Aslane and so ekwa 8 goals Maximiliano Bayer ekwa 8 ubenya Benton team and so adi ayade said Demarovic warusum ekwa 8 goals anu yankobeka kwaso etota ewe German Bundesliga ene anope yekache kakra adi amawo.
Okay, quickly every German Bundesliga na yantoazo Spanish La Liga num na mame phantom nim say a match week 29 and a weekend where ebaso La Liga num na the 10 say Endra Friday mame phantom nim say yenya Villarreal team no wo metra fi Estadio de Ceramica wo me hyemiensa ema away side ye from say Real Sociedad wo mete ekanu bako na the 10 say Villarreal andra omugema ebaso fie no Gerard Moreno and a chef first go and ma Villarreal and which Georgia almost striker na Jeffrey Georges Mekatazi at the second goal ever so and Sana Ivory Coast with my brand Tinefel Nicolas Pepe about third goal at the Villarreal eti Andra El Ceramica yabo first half na Villarreal team no woman do Real Sociedad by 3-0 minimum a second half no and a Lucas Susage ebenya consolation goal and my away side from Real Sociedad eti Andra Villarreal elfie woman win a 3-1 at the Real Sociedad na and watch no and Saturday mame phantom nim say about 1 o'clock p.m. Estadio Manuel Martinez Valera yo elche elfie woman in Mallorca enable and watch Espanya batnafie RCDE Stadium woman bogetefi na Levante atnafie ama Levante team no woman trafie na omane Real Oviedo abo sa games ni no 5:30 p.m. Osasuna atnafie Pamplona woman Girona enable na Sevilla Estadio Ramos Sanchez Pizjuan woman Valencia game 8 o'clock p.m. Yankupon Yadma Ochina Sunday na Ochina ya 1 o'clock p.m. FC Barcelona Trafie Spotify Company woman Rayo Vallecano enable and which is Celta de Vigo Abanca de Balados woman Deportivo Alaves 3:15 p.m. after about 5:30 p.m. San Mamés Barria Athletic Club de Bilbao Elfie woman Real Betis enable na Fenyami Yadma Ochina numere 8 o'clock p.m. Santiago Bernabeu big game ebaso Madrid derby Real Madrid elfie woman Atletico Madrid enable na mame phantom say after match week 28 La Liga no Barca enedi kan woman 70 points after Real Madrid tosumi no woman 66 points Villarreal tosumi nsa omo 58 points and which Atletico Madrid woman tosumi omo 57 and after Betis team no woman tosu enuma woman so 44 points na Pichichi top scorer Spain na okola Liga nima Kylian Mbappe enedi kan Mbappe has 23 goals and which Vedat Murugi ebo Edmatima je from Mallorca or 18 goals Lamine Yamal has 14 and Budime 13 goals and which Ferran Torres and Mikel Oyarzabal women na has 12 goals apiece and which Robert Lewandowski Borja Iglesias and afi Hafinha women na has 11 goals afi ubenya Arante Ferse Alexander Solot one Georges Frotos wumina ase 10 goals yo Abeto Malero and what Georges Mekatazi afe Lucas Boy and afe Vinicius Junior and Arate first Vladislav Venant wumina ase 9 goals apiece and I'm a payade wonsem Emma Tifuina El Shono so afe yen free Spain na yamla England na over Premier League a match week 31 and a weekend way ebaso na mame fanto nim say Andra L Vitality Stadium Bournemouth Elfie women the Red Devils of Manchester United about 2-2 na United game Andra Bass away no captain of Bruno Fernandez and the penalty about first goal at Manchester United and which he around first Ryan Christie at the take on Emma Tima she from Bournemouth Emma James Hill at the on goal Emma Manchester United remember restore Omulidino and which Harry Maguire a kodi red card Emma Brantia Jeffrey Ellen Junior Kropi at the penalty eba puli parity at Matima Jeffrey Bournemouth at the Andra L Vitality Stadium Man United ekosha first goal nimo omani Bournemouth game no sa game ekoye 2-2 na a chance this season Manchester United home and away against Bournemouth woman winning game esanse we can reverse fixture eba so last year December no sa game Old Trafford ekoye 4-4 and after this season and I said this year our Vitality Stadium I'm not game about akwa 2-2 na my United manager Jeffrey Michael Carrick your poor game no post match interview and Michael Carrick I say we disappointed pass I'm not game about taking lead nemo omantima win game no nemo obisa referee Andra would you game say oje first penalty at Matima anya bia no wontimi anya second penalty and some Matima na omoje one Tiaza say I'm a penalty woman and ref Anje after Manchester United United manager Jeffrey Michael Carrick.
Yeah, a lot happened in the end. I thought we had good chances, really good opportunities. That probably didn't lead to the chance, but I thought we had enough to be ahead and a little bit more comfortable in the game. We found the goal. Should have had another penalty. If you get one, you must get the other. It's pretty much identical for me, 2-hand grab, and so he's either way he's got one wrong. But to give one and not give the others, I just can't get my head around it. I think it's crazy. And then obviously because of that, it goes the other end. They score, and then it's chaos after that, really. So.
Okay, Michael Carrick, the Red Devils of Manchester United. One manager and our tenant casa or casa after say Andra United team our way Vitality Stadium. Woman bottom of about 2-2 and our United. One manager and casa or casa nano payno. Yet update MT for your El Shono so. Now my phantom say Yami Aduma and next Saturday. Your match is Libya Ebasu El Premier League. Now the 10 lunch time at 12:30 p.m. and every Brighton and Hove Albion. At American Express Community Stadium, Omani Liverpool, enable and slot a manager. Eddie Matima, you're from Liverpool. Manager Akasa, you tell Liverpool. One manager no.
Get something positive out of this season. Now we've reached the quarterfinal. That's positive. Now we have to make the next step in the league because we don't have the greatest position in the league as well. So it's going to be a fight until the end of the season. And my focus is completely on that. And we don't talk about contracts of players here. So it would be a surprise if.
Okay, Liverpool manager first Anslot and I was telling Casa or Casana Anslot is and Kofo and say Liverpool season and Shadan Koyenemum and Liverpool Champions League. Women do quarterfinals and what you know, do it Maka at Liverpool. Women supporters and say one baba positive football. Now we did a pass matches at Aka or Premier League in Animal Liverpool. No, I was say Omonia positive results and no air Anslot in Sam Kakra and run a pre-match press conference about somebody to Janano Payno. Yere won some MT for na El Show so na de tense and about 3 o'clock p.m. El Craven Cottage yo Fulham El Fie woman Burnley enable and which 5:30 p.m. Everton at Nefie woman in the Blues of Chelsea enable Chelsea manager Liam Rosinia na openina kasapa yentie Chelsea manager no and Sam Kakrandra kwalituda.
When you lose games, it's always a damage attached to it, but there's also me. I'm learning about the team, I'm learning about myself and my staff and the club, and I learned a lot this week. What I do know is that there's a resilience and determination to put things right for myself and the team, and we'll see in the coming weeks what happens, which I'm very, very confident about.
Has it been your most challenging?
Different challenges. I think every manager goes through moments like this, goes through difficult weeks. I've had challenging periods before.
Okay, the Blues of Chelsea manager Liam Rossinia and our tenant Kano. Now, Liam Rossinia say, "Your fan to be and say, Wulu Sugema, which H. Manye, Nemum de Witmaka and send the players, no, women are resilience and afraid, women say determined, say, on better than Noma, I'm a Chelsea team, I'm on the Bono, Aquacama, and no Liam Rossinia, and some Kakra or the Tuja. Now, and then Lady at 8:00 p.m. Ellen Road, Leeds United, Elfie, women Brentford and Elbow, Yami. Adma watching Sunday, Jetensa 12:00 p.m. Newcastle United, St James's Park, Women Sunderland and Elbow, and watch 2:15 p.m. Villa Park, Aston Villa Elfie, Women West Ham United and Elbow, now for 2:15 p.m. Tottenham Hotspurs, Women so Atenafie, the new Tottenham Hotspur Stadium, Women born Nottingham Forest, now after match with 30, Premier League, Arsenal and Edikan, Women 70 points, Man City Tosumienu, Women 61, Man United Tosumiensa, Women 55, Aston Villa Tosunai, Women 51, Liverpool Tosunum, Women 49, and for Chelsea, Women Tosu Insia, Women so 48 points, now Ellen Haaland in the leading top scoring chart, Premier League, watch 22 goals, Ego Thiago, Ebama Brentford all 19, Antoine Semenyo Asha 15, and watch Joao Pedro, 14 goals, Hugo Ekitike, and Victor Gyökeres, Women Asha 11 goals, and watch Dan Welbeck, after Dominic Calvert-Lewin, Dan Anafe Arantia, and I said Dan Welbeck and Dominic Calvert-Lewin, Women Asha 10 goals, your Benjamin Sesko, after Brian Mbeumo, Harry Wilson, Richarlison, Junior Krupi, Bruno Guamarash, and after Kopama, Women Asha 9 goals a pizza, and on a payade update, Emma Tifonia El Shono, so it's where a Premier League matches are, weekend wherever so, Nimumia Dma Ochina, 4:30 p.m. Wembley, big game Emaso, na EFL Cup final, the Gunners Arsenal, woman in the Sky Blues of Man City, and a big game. Na the chance of watching game at Everson will be a good record. Stadium of France at Wembley. Na Mame Fantuan say Mikel Arteta unbeaten. Emirates. Na Chesa what the Arsenal team no Emirates. Na final na impempi ni Mikel Arteta gomo je eno chi Pep Guardiola every league cup final bia odi Man City akobia no Man City for AJ 4 times ni nyina omagenti nyame yadbo china unbeaten ana say teams are unbeaten Wembley and a big gamer and on a player they won some Tiofo in show no so na under premier press conference about no manager na ekasa pa di kan me answer na manager fan say Mikel Arteta manager na akasa unim sandra essentialfo no ekobisa say answer team obi agiri say this season mo bo aso nyame yadoma ochina game ever Manchester City aje Carabao Cup e dey simuna so na yenti Arsenal one manager offense Mikel Arteta.
Let's leave it on Sunday and then I can probably answer that question better. I've done it when that stadium has been full and been part of that and it's exceptional. One of the best memories that I have as a player is playing those type of games. So yeah, that's why we are all very excited because we know what is at stake. We really want it and we know what it's going to mean.
Okay, I know you Arsenal manager first Mikel Arteta and I will tell you can Arteta says our question here. We are no nyame admo china give me basunemu Jobetimaka and say oh good memories. Wembley Stadium obianim the way game a city obianim modern bar Arsenal abonti I was say gombo mo de Serie A Ligue and I say Carabao Cup no edisi omanaso nyame admo wo china Wembley and watching opposite number the Sky Blues of Man City one manager first Pep Guardiola na Guardiola say Mikel Arteta any team Arsenal wo mo boy Europa na team manie wo no mo boy esoro omba pem eno achi free kick ba ehu kona ba ehu eti wogidi ye pass wo china game e maso e bedin e de Man City we a City boss Pep Guardiola
take a control when they defend deep, when they hide, the build-ups and long balls, second balls and backwards. So many good things, alternative, fluidity in his build-up, that consistent pattern, so they are more, I said fluidity, so really. So Champions League won all the games in the group stage and in the Premier League lost 3 games.
Well, okay, I mean, I'm coming back across I was show you son of pay. Yeah, Patrick, Academy, now, my training affair, young for other stories, and be and down where. With him, sir, the 10-year Gisiano and Yamania Dana Beta in Sembebre Anna a free air Senegania de Eba Beta Ebio High and I'm Zemba and O Harbor so no matter be a gum. The Ayano Crackana test or made the Frafra Beta or yet Nina Mian Argentina, not meaning Comaca Crabata or Argentina. With him so more call up now Abba and I international friendly matches as or mobile Nanka or more elbow for Nasima or money Spain. So given Antimanto Jabata Argentina for say Omunya 2 friendly matches as a woman so elbow and he collapse and Yaba. Abrantan the other Franco Bastantuano no a player or no Sia Academy Madrid or my friend Brantano and now for cost trouble car. Abrantan the other Joaquim A. Pinatelli or my first out 2 players no me and Kodamianum as Sisiano Koiropa or Mutano Asoye Pa the Argentina Manti woman so a Tomokolapa woman at us or Mauritania and now for Zambia Manum woman so on the 27th of March one Mauritania and on the 31st of March woman in Zambia game no and also at Matoja and I had 2 matches Argentina Mano and so Airbus a perpetual gamer woman World Cup and then Anope Mibwe take a car Ediama Antoni Ariola one and a head coach at my FC Bournemouth Bobo Kwanada in fact to pay in a dinner line now what him say coach Yankasa as a player Anna Afe obey a coach one in Manchester United here and then there's a Manchester Atina Caneto and a moon and 9 I win Eddie Amanum and Afe a moon 9 and so I draw Eddie Amanenti and Samu Somu Botutua not as Adiano head coach Nankasa on Manchester United Wamu our da Adiano Hoda that Afibiano no so a trend so betima to so yes Aniamano and we Antonio Ariola report a Fina Catini by Meko Bezel Medin Komaka Uko Bezela Urim Santos Bobo Konomu gamer as a woman so abo reporter Mensaka as a woman Cruzario and edition in Asama Nema and so Amobi Yakobisa Wamu coach is a sign and community Nema Wepra and as a Bibi and also Nema Umpre better player Bia so Praba not within 12 days woman Bob matches Abembeho and as 7 days woman Bob matches by 3 matches in fact Amwa Massa player no onye okay and he we no aye workload and tina and no Nadia say Nema everybody Sunday and you say bia Brante no play and you bibia and you say omo chase we bet mama na ya fit sane bia work up no call up ba e bia the proper one no Brante no etime run better I say we mu bo amata so metimi ameneji Brante ye and you yankoba kakwa so Nema e fi na kate edi eba e wo dwumade so na Enzo Fernandez so mobaka na no da ye ball game we PSG boys are 8 no pepe ana kwakoye interview so no wonim so betina chess so on chess season ni ba na wie ya ana obehu ba bia Chelsea beto ansa no be decide we to decide na eno dan so yesa Brante na sa akokasa yeso o se Enzo Maresca okoye na hano pa na nyo no nkwa na ahano wo betim ni ma wo se players ne dodo na home ye pa esanse se mpo wo be pam coach ma season ni na wie ya na as mid of the season no at as season afa na aso ayako ba bia edubunu no was my pam head coach in fact Brante say aha entertainment nyina anyo no nkwa Enzo ana tasa ade na ehano enti anene the only thing obeka was it time na tasa Enzo Maresca on team no tumi ho identity team no okoya mo fa so ebo mo matches ni ade enti ane yankoba kakra Brante no ade tutwa dwumade so nei meba take kakra ade ma beta mame sanko back to Argentina uko Argentina man River played the Boboko no we be so makan e stadium monumental ana tasa wo nso esia kan na omo tasa stadium no wo nya renovations kaka one person mu try expansion send ye be boama monumental nso atima ya kama enti reporter menseka say wo mu tasa omo kwa kwenye skabi na $100 million so $100 million no wo mu tasa ayabosia ana omo kwaji ye omo de ba be stadium ho na omo de stadium ho wi a afa stadium no naming right beba na naming right no ani concert on bebo ana afa niam on be no stadium ho no anu no mede betua saka no ayire so by 2029 there no mo chance stadium no wo metimi awiawie kra matase monumental e won so timi ayakama anu ya River Plate boboko no ani Argentina man no report from akate ebana anano pay mi bo eche kakra ediama na yesi Barcelona for akate Manchester United say Marcus Rashford nyame animne wo munya ya anka another loan ana nkomo pe ana Manchester for say hey why no modi sika ba ma mon first kama Manchester for say Abrante ne bo 50 million pounds wo mo tell say ko ba say team and the Barcelona wo mo na metwa 26 million pounds na Barca for etwetwe omo ho no wo mo say Abrante ne bo pa 50 million pounds nti say Barcelona yo madu so metwa 26 na wo mo nkasa Abrante no mo man sign afama Barcelona boboko no wo bi ba beto Abrante no na tesa no so apo ama Manchester United boboko no enia man so atimi akoye e de mo man ya reporter mensa eka na uko Chelsea ye ba be sasa kra medical boss de ba je bo PSG no kwa ba nim say protest e ba so Chelsea supporters no we ka wa min kai ko ma ye be 2-3 protest e de table kofo no na we de o mo sa de o ma ye nyina anduru bunum enti o ma to mo sa first trouble for no say wo mo me no mo ni o mo nyina nya protest no because o ma hu say team owners no team ni de utimi san ko munya football no mbe ba ko for am so mo nti football ase enti o mo yo mo ni me nyina basa enti no pay reporter men say ka aya say Strasbourg bobo ko ni Chelsea supporters ni nyina ka bom ayi so by next week next month de na that means protest no so mo ka bom no mo ye editor wo mo nso team owners no and ye the features akate and Strasbourg akate edi abam wo dwumade so na anopa mi ka che kaka edi ama na ano na sisia no Bruno Fernandez kwa na mo player de ayi utimi say bond oni mi bo na team no wona na nye oba team papa and no say Bruno wo twabo no wo say bo no wan sa nesi prayer so na mi enemy say Manchester cry da Manchester ye ho etre na Bruno Fernandez say market in hazard ya didn't ya gaga no ese chairman ya goals contribution kwa edit in hazard but in the Premier League no goals contributions you see no Abrante the Bruno Fernandez and 137 goals involved but goals and assists and marketing na abom na market in hazard and it's also boy ya did team at as 120 or kwa mad do kwadi na nisu no 136 goals involved and Abrante and so enya and Bruno Fernandez with me say and nyina come at the makoda na reporter men say ka say yes Barcelona for na tase almost say niam na omonyama omonso ne yes Barcelona kam no kwa omonso omuye esoro no omuye rufini na omuye rufini wi a na tase ombeto so say kan on to reporter men say ka say 2027-2028 season no we are Barcelona. And now they say season yes asia other say in the half of the season anomede sa installing ebaba na first o masa say ana say yes season asia 2027-2028 season Barca for say Cameroon no kwa number bosso na omo bosso so dia say wintimi sia kan and the omo he say ebia Barca Athletic stadium ketwa no ho no pese on bono na Barca foi ade mu ya wintimi mo no ho mwandi ka na mbekwa akobo na nkama kan preko Barca for say there be one member Athletic for stadium ho emom omo tase so na Mondrick enso optional we met me ese kan ho and 2027 the Barca Cameroon one besa eja atwo kakra.
Okay, young to na young fast stories ni bi MT for na show no so na after and say you free man say na young ko Bayern Munich na mama fantom say okwa Germany yen say Germany national team no wom two friendly games yame aduma FIFA international break yame aduma ne ene ochina ye bo matches Europe ya ye kwa yen say Germany mine no wom able 2 games na ombebo edi tia Ghana and of Switzerland nemo manager first Julian Nagelsmann ne call up e Bayern Munich player na fani Jamal Musiala na ni dinim Jamal Musiala say boy no say them play biasa nemo a precaution and on a reporter men second from Germany and say Jamal Musiala suffer from tendon pain on the ankle now almost severely damaged they tell say the last plan I'm not tell fan say Jamal Musiala eco play FIFA Club World Cup na say no we say the tendon severely damage and unti a habo in the pa na ade ba doctors no apese gomu hwese bia boy no ne ho enkyere no ene se asa Jamal Musiala pre no ho se opeso bobo ama doctors no empese wo be sad nti gomu hwese ade no ma aguakwam se bia boy no obe kama se bia nyame aduma FIFA World Cup ever so no Jamal Musiala ebenya kwanya na wasia ka ene ma Germany gomu na team na no pay no yere wo sem emetie fo nyina show no so na Liam Rossini won ene Chelsea gomu team ana se head coach na mame yɛmfa to anim sɛ gyama mus anasɛ ɔpani afɛ sɛ Liam Rosinia ɛsɛ yɛmfa to abi anim sɛ ɔnsɛ nansɛn Enzo Fernandez ahyɛaseɛ ɛkasa paa ɛma nansɛ kora ɔmɛbusa sɛ boy no ne future ɛte sɛ anya bia ɛbɔ season wia Enzo Fernandez ɛbɛdecide sɛ ɔbɛfiri Chelsea akɔ na Liam Rosinia sɛ wɔ very good relationship with Abrante fɛn sɛ Enzo Fernandez na do bɛtima kan sɛ ever since Chelsea for no appointing no as manager no one boys nyina ɛwɔ good relationship na ɔmo yɛ adwuma pa ne mom wo bia ni oba no abɛka kyɛn sɛ manager Chelsea team no manager eti yɛbɔ season wi ampesa mekɔ Liam Rosinia sɛ boys no wo manager panti san komodie na egu so ɛkɔ so rumors ɛno ɛyɛ nsɛm kakra Chelsea manager no wɔde atudwa ɛna no pɛyi yɛre wo nsɛm ɛmɛtiefo nyina ɛwɔ show no so na Richard yɛde sinemom Trent Alexander-Arnold under Thomas Tuchel ne kolapa ɔde no na Madrid ɔmo right back medini nemom de tense Trent akodi nkomo wɔn bisa ne sɛ woni Mohamed Salah esia kan ɛwɔ Liverpool na wabɔ ɛde tia Neymar so pɛn na yɛkasa wankasa ho wɔnya saa two experience no eti kyekye mi ntia nsɛm na bɛka na anɔde sɛ yɛmfa to obi anim sɛ Neymar ne deɛ no kure ne bɔ no wɔnim bɔ paa na boy no ɛyɛ tricky player sɛ yɛde no to so a Neymar bɛyɛ ho adwuma ho sɛ yɛde player ato so nemom wɔne Mohamed Salah abɔbɔ ɛwɔ Liverpool wɔne na ne training nemom Dima Salah aburu Neymar so ɛne sɛ Salah sacrifice ɛwɔ game mu na records Salah ayɛ ɛne numbers na ekuta no wɔno abrante afɛ sɛ Trent Alexander-Arnold wɔbɛyi Mohamed Salah over Neymar ɛno ɛyɛ nsɛm kakra Arnold wɔde akɔto dwa na no pɛ yɛde wo nsɛm ɛmɛtiefo nyina ɛwɔ show no live on Nhyira 104.5 FM Richard
yɛwie na de yɛwie yɛnuane nkramonfoɔ na yɛma ɔmo Eid Mubarak enti Mr. Kwabena Adu Ebenezer K ɛsɛ wɔn obi bia Eid Mubarak enti Kwabena yɛnuane nkramonfoɔ no ɔmo enjoy na ɛno a mo nkra ne ɛbaa na
there is mo fast mo anyi bi ɛde na mpɛ na wa okay obi 30 days back ɛnya owie ya na ko bi na maybe okay say the mama akwete mo betumi akọ